Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails, and guess what? She's back. Faye is back. You recognise the nails? She's back, and we're going to do her fill. She's doing infill, and yeah, we're just gonna enjoy doing Faye's infill. Faye has already got out the colours, and I think Adam might just slide in some video footage of Faye getting the colours.
Oh no, where's my box with all my colours in? Oh no, don't tell me someone's had it out. Where is it, Kirst?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I don't actually know.
Well, why would you let somebody move it?
Are you alright? You feel a bit better now you found the box though?
Well, yeah, but the thing is though, some of the colours are messy. I can't believe you've set me up.
I've not set you up. I have not set you
Who's
up.
had the colours? Actually, I know what I want to ask you. Who's had my colours and their nails? Why have you any here?
I don't know. Maybe somebody's had those colours.
Yeah, but you've got no clients apart from me. I am the most. I'm your most important. Now I'm going to have to start finding them now. You've hidden them in here, haven't you? You little monkey. Adam, I am gradually finding them. Proper areas.
Can I finish this video?
Have a look in the description box of the video.
We're now kind Abby. It's not very nice, is it?
Well, I'd had to come up with some kind of title, didn't
Why
I?
do I do this to myself? Why do I let it keep coming back having a nails done? Why do I do it to myself? Because nobody else will have
I
it.
don't know. The crack tie, smile art, tickle me pink's missing as well.
Not in that box.
No.
Probably down here.
Yeah, but why are they not in my box that I left them in 4.5 weeks ago? Because I reckon if you have to wait 4.5 weeks to have your nails done, you might have just left the products in the box.
No, I didn't want to go too crazy with that because I think we'll do that on another video. Oh my God, will you shut up? Faye's in the room, everybody, and don't you know it? So, yeah, she couldn't find one. I say she, we, none of us could. There's one glitter that's gone missing, and it's all my fault, apparently. It's all my fault. I've opened the magic box. I've opened the box that had all of her glitters in, and I have misplaced one of the glitters. So, you know, we've had to calm her down, restrain her.
Gaga.
Yeah, a little bit. But she's going to get over it, aren't you?
I am.
She's going to go over it. We've added
We've gone through some brilliant techniques.
Yeah. We've added another glitter, haven't we? We've added gold cracked mylar because the one that had gone missing was called what? Hey?
Tickle me pink, mylar.
Tickle me pink mylar. She's
Slightly unstable about.
she's not very happy that I've shared these glitters with another member of the public.
Who's now got a hit out on her?
Yeah. Faye now wants to go and chop her fingers off. Never mind her nails. Fingers, maybe the hand. I don't want that on my nails anymore. Somebody else has got it on their nails. Not wrong, am I?
No.
So, I'm going to show you guys what it's like to fill these nails on the fabulous Faye, a.k.a. worst client ever. We've only dragged it out because you guys wanted Faye to come back on camera. So, you know, fitting it between everything. We're doing a late shoot today. And so I'm tired already. These have been filled, when was it? So what, 4 weeks ago? 4 weeks and
4 weeks and 5 days.
4 weeks and 5 days ago. So they're all still intact, as you can see. Faye's nails don't grow rapidly.
Yeah, I was just thinking that they don't.
Yeah. No.
So she can go 4 weeks plus, but Faye doesn't believe this. I think Faye would want to come every 2 weeks as soon as she has a millimetre,
Growth.
you know, of growth.
Yeah, I
She's
would.
like, oh my God.
I would.
you want them done, don't you? And I'm like, chill.
Can only tolerate you once a month.
So yeah, we're gonna
Neglect me.
we're gonna push these cuticles back first, and then I will do the cuticle area with. No, I'm gonna I'll take the stones off actually. I'll take the stones off after I've done this, and then I can whiz round with my electric file around the cuticle area. Right, so we're gonna take the stones off. We've actually got a video of a removal, full set removal, what we did on Faye. God, a while ago. About a couple of years ago, I think it was.
That was like when you did the zigzag pyramid shape nail.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Cut out pyramid.
Because Faye's had quite a lot of weird shaped nails.
Yeah.
What did you think of the back nail? Have you seen that one?
I don't know if I've seen it.
Because it was
Backward
very
nail.
similar. It was similar to the one that you had, which was the. Was it the scallop? No, it's no. Another.
Yeah,
shape
you're
nail.
right. Yeah, we did some like under the sea ones, didn't we?
You did a scalloped one, but it was similar to another shape you had, like a butterfly one.
Yeah, but yeah, that was similar. Yeah.
But this one was a bat, so it was like.
Keep distracting her, keep distracting her.
Sharp. I've got some stuff that might want to distract you. So in the first video, a lot of people commented a lot of things. And did you read any of them?
So, some of the comments on the video.
Yeah.
I haven't read many.
She doesn't do
But
social media.
I have to admit, I am on absolutely no social platforms whatsoever.
A lot of people were really disgusted by that. Oh my god. So some of the comments were, some of them were a bit harsh, but there's 1,000 comments. Yeah, which is quite good.
Okay.
Somebody said, and this is actually another YouTuber, this is why I'm not ready to do clients just yet. A lot of people didn't quite get that it was jokey.
That we don't actually hate each other.
Yeah.
No, I can confirm I have been a client and close friend of Kirsty's for about 10 years.
So if I hated her that much, I would have got rid of her.
Kirsty still wouldn't be doing my nails.
Because I do have some clients that I've got rid of. I don't know if I should have said that.
Oh, he's a good one. For the next time she comes in, videotape and make sure she's quiet for the full thing. Yeah, that's just not going to happen.
Never going to happen, is it?
It doesn't even happen in these videos, never mind the video we were shooting when she arrived.
No, when I first started filming, and when Adam first filmed, like my first set of nails, yeah, I never used to say anything.
Yeah, you were quiet, weren't you?
I was very
I
quiet.
miss those days.
Adam.
Oh, what else are they saying? I mean, yeah, so we do get on. She just drives me around the bend. There's no, like, you know, I don't go out and slag her off. I'll
No,
do
she
that
just
to her
slagged
face.
off
Because we're that open.
Yeah, well, honesty is the best
Oh,
policy.
here's a good one. I'm not a nail tech, but I still don't know how you put up with that. I'd have strangled her a long time ago.
Oh. I think someone put on that it was nice to see that the client, it's nice that I had some input and that I don't come to Kirsty and Kirsty doesn't just say, oh, this is what we're doing today or these are what colours we're using. Someone put on something about having some input with the colours, but then the other thing is I picked like 35 colours and then want a little speckle of glitter, every colour glitter per nail.
So another one was, I didn't know about this, the PITA tax. PITA, it's the pain in the tax.
Pain in the tax.
Yeah, should be charged every time Faye comes.
Oh, yes, definitely need to do that.
You should make her some special tea before she sits down.
Special tea? Oh no!
Special tea, like chill her out tea.
Yeah, or somebody else put...
Is that cannabis tea?
Somebody put laxatives, maybe?
I thought you said there was some nice comments, Adam.
I'm trying to find some.
They're that few and far between.
I would have to fire that client. So clients get fired.
Oh my God.
You can't fire paying clients.
You can't.
A lot of people have commented saying they do nails for their family, and this is exactly how it is.
Do you know what it is? I think it definitely is worse for family. I mean, my mum's quite picky, to be honest with you. I love her, though I do. She is very picky, and she'll go, oh, what about? And I'm like, I haven't even finished. I'm going to do that. Yeah, so my mum's a bit of a pain in the
probably
butt.
can fit in the family category.
Nothing like Faye, though.
No.
She is one of a kind.
Some people have said, like, oh my God, when I started this video, I said, she can't be talking about a real person. But then she started talking, oh my God, Faye.
Right, so we've got all the stones off and all of the 3D. Because you don't want to file through your 3D, really. It's going to take you an age. You don't want to do that.
You need a bigger pinching tool for Faye's mouth.
Adam, I thought you said you had to approve these comments.
I wasn't reading the comment. I was just saying that you should
Approve. You said there was some nice.
Come on,
comments.
find a nice one.
comment.
Find a
Can you
nice
find
They're
one.
the nice ones.
They the nice ones. Oh goodness gracious! Good job I'm not on
Because of that video, a lot of people were fairly new to the channel because it did quite nicely. And the comment that I get the most on this channel, more than anything in the world, is, especially with longer nails, how do you wipe your backside?
Yeah.
So how do you wipe your backside, Faye?
How do you wipe yours?
With lots of tissue.
Lots of tissue.
Just like everybody else
I just
does.
wipe it the same as anybody else.
So I'm just whipping around the cuticle, taking off any non-living tissue off the nail plate and exfoliating the cuticle as well. So that dry skin, we're sort of exfoliating that. And this will be really good for maintaining a nice, neat cuticle.
Yeah, because after 4.5 weeks, to be fair.
They still look good, don't they?
Curly can
If we didn't do this though, they'd start getting a bit messy.
I don't like it. We don't like cuticles.
No. Now I'm going to use my electric file to remove any bulk, any like where we've had the stones. You'll see like bits of gel and that. I'm going to get rid of that. And quickly buzz over the whole nail as well.
So a lot of people also ask, well, or they'll comment, they'll say, oh my God, that person mustn't do anything at all.
But I do
Must
everything.
sit
I put
there.
my contact lenses in. I apply makeup. I go to work. I can touch type.
When you touch type, you do it with the end of your nail.
Correct. Yeah.
So if you hadn't got your nails on, would you be like
She'd miss the keyboard.
out
and get
of a
nothing
job?
done.
I've had my nails on for. I've more or less constantly had nails on, and not really had them off. Would you agree?
Yeah.
For 10 years. 10 years it's got to be. But I can do everything. I clean, I cook, I wash up, I garden.
Garden?
Yeah, of course I do. Yeah, you have responsibilities when you when you don't live at home.
She has big girl pants. She helps out at, she runs, do you run the brownie
I
thing?
do.
She runs the brownies. Anybody know what the brownies are? In England it's like,
Is it America? It's like Girl Guides.
I'm not entirely sure what the brownies are called in America, actually.
so they go camping and do activities, don't you?
I do.
She does loads with her nails.
I do.
So even though we're just doing a fill, you still feel like we need to include all of those glitters?
Yes.
How? Do you like have to put one particle on each?
Yeah.
each glitter?
Yes. Just a couple of little particles. And it's just a nail.
Is it burning yet at all?
No.
Still no burn?
No.
Must try harder to burn, Faye. I want to know if anybody out there is as fussy as Faye.
There'll be people who are probably more fussier than what I am.
Really?
I don't know.
Sure
I
about
don't
that?
think so.
What is the comment below, please? I want to know. Because I will write your name in a book and I will never do your name.
A lot of people in the comment section did admit that they are as bad as Faye. Not that you're bad. Not a bad person.
Just
But a lot of people did say,
fussy.
I'm that person. When I go to get my nails done, I'm that person.
Really?
There will be people who are far more extra than me.
I'm sure there is. There's a lot of people that
You concentrate on what you're doing. I'd like a finger left, thank you.
Oh, you want that finger, son? Do you want to take that home? Okay.
You take a lot of pride in your nails.
Yeah, I
And then,
absolutely do.
every time I walk through shopping centre, you see those Chinese nail bars.
Yeah.
And what do you feel when you see that?
If I walk past, I'm just tempted to go in and show them what my nails look like. I am. But they love it. But they genuinely love it. If I went in, they would genuinely love it.
But if you went in and say, can you do anything with these, Doc?
Well,
They'd be like, ah.
But does it not annoy you that other people don't kind of take as much pride or?
no, not at all. No, not at all.
Oh, so when you see people's nails that look like dog poo-poo, you don't look at them and think, oh, damn.
You poor person. Not poor as in money, just.
Do you not like feel sorry for them?
No, because they're on my nails, aren't they? So I don't.
So you don't bothered about anybody else? You're that self-consumed with yourself that you only care about your nails and you don't give a shit what anybody else's nails are like.
But it wouldn't do us all be the same, would it?
No, it wouldn't. Oh, Faye, I do love you.
I know. It's okay, I'll just go home and cry about it.
Oh, well, as long as I don't see you cry. The
No,
thing...
it's glue.
All right.
No, I know,
Come
but I
back to
think it
that
needs
one.
drilling
I'm
down.
going to come back to it.
Okay. Because it'll literally be stressing me out. I don't want anything behind it. Any fungus.
As I was saying,
Until the mushrooms growing.
you don't want a tin of mushrooms
No,
growing under your
no,
nail.
I don't want no mushrooms under there. Or no toadstools.
We've seen some nasty pictures online, haven't we, where people have put pictures of their nail work on, and we can see the fungus under a nail that they've left.
Well, that blatantly shouldn't have a nail on, really. If
No,
it's that,
exactly.
If it's that infected.
Yeah, this is why you should choose wisely to who you.
You're
go
going to do
to.
that with a more coarse file, aren't you?
Do you want your nail
Do you
intact?
want me to do it?
I do. Go on then. You do it. I'll see you later. See you later.
Hang on. Are we up the stage? Are we up the stage?
bloody do it. See what you can do. See if you can do a better job, eh?
Oh.